Well, what an absolutely stunning morning. And I come down here this morning, I think it was -6 when I got down here. It's probably not much more now. I mean, the sun's starting to rise a little bit, so it's going to warm up a little bit. But some beautiful frosts around, some lovely thick frost around, absolutely stunning. So I'm just on a little walk, which is something I haven't done for a while. You know, I've been really lazy lately. And it's getting really hard to find stuff with the cold weather. The lakes are frozen over, so the wildlife, you know, the wildfowl's not as prominent as it was, so it's getting quite hard. So I thought I'd have a little walk this morning. To be honest, not seen much yet. It's really hard. It really is hard. It's, as I say, it's a stunning morning, but I was hoping to find some Fieldfares or redwings or something, because they look great in this sort of conditions. So I just pitched myself down here, just low on the ground a little bit, just to sit. But I mean, they're really skittish. You know, as soon as you get near them, they're off. So it's really hard. But we'll carry on. Just see, there's a few little birds around, or whatever. But I'm really struggling lately, I have to say. I really am. But we're not going to give up. I mean, you know, it's just stunning to be out in a morning like this. It's absolutely fantastic to be out. I'd just love to bring you some photos as well, but it's getting, yeah, I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Where has all the wildlife gone? It's absolutely crazy. I mean, I can hear bits and pieces around, and I can see one or two small birds flying around, but I just can't get an image. You know, I've got a couple of little images, not a lot, but I just don't know. I don't know where the wildlife has gone. The cold spell, you'd think they'd probably come out looking for food in this sort of weather, but around this area, I'm just not seeing anywhere near the sort of levels of wildlife and birds that I have over past years. At the moment, I don't know why that is. Well, that's it for today. Like I say, I don't understand at the moment. It is really tough. You know, it doesn't matter where you go around this area. I'm going to have to pick some different locations because we're not getting a lot around here at all. Say, stunning morning, absolutely beautiful. A fox walking down the track or something like that would have been absolutely amazing in this sort of weather. But it's just not happening, you know. So, yeah. We've got a couple of little images. I'll put those, you know, you've probably seen those already. They're in the video. But other than that, not a great deal. But certainly not going to give up. You know, it's not successful every time we come out, as a lot of other people will tell you. But I just wanted to share what a stunning morning this was. The frost was absolutely amazing. So whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.